Create a high-converting landing page. This is one of the most important videos in this training. You can create the best Udemy training course ever, but if your landing page sucks, then you will make very few sales, if any. Udemy will provide the exposure for your course. We recommend that you do more than this in a later video. But if your landing page doesn't convert, it will all be a waste of time. There are many examples of average and even poor quality products selling well due to good marketing. Now, we are in no way condoning that you create an average or low-quality course, but we want you to understand how important marketing your course well is. If you make a lot of sales through your landing page and your course is really engaging and people complete it, then Udemy will reward you with even more exposure. Udemy is a business first and foremost, and they want you to achieve high conversions so that they make money too. Their whole system is geared up to send the maximum amount of visitor traffic to the courses with the highest conversion rates. So, if you want all of the exposure that Udemy can give you, then you need to pay special attention to your landing page. There are 4 elements to your landing page, which are 1. Your course title and subtitle, 2. Your promo videos, 3. Your student goals, 4. Your course description. To familiarize yourself with these elements, find a course with a lot of reviews on Udemy and check everything out. Your course title and subtitle. We already discussed this in the outline video earlier. Your title and subtitle are critical for conversions. They are usually the first things that a potential customer will see when they get to your landing page. You have seconds to make a good impression when someone sees your landing page. So, your title and subtitle really need to inspire the visitor to find out more and watch your promo video. Your promo video. Promo videos are very important. Udemy's own research tells them that an effective promo video is as much as 10 times more likely to persuade a potential to purchase a course. Most Udemy instructors get this all wrong and see the promo video as a chore that they need to complete rather than a great marketing tool. A lot of Udemy instructors are actually teachers and do not have much marketing sense. You need to be different and have your marketing hat on when you are creating your promo video and all the other elements of your landing page. The most effective promo videos are short, between 90 seconds and 2 minutes. Don't underestimate the power of this short video. When you create a good one, it will dramatically increase your chances of making sales. This is what you should include in your promo video. The benefits, questions, language. You did a lot of research to find the best idea for your Udemy video, so refer back to your notes on this to create these 3 things. Your promo video needs to resonate with potential customers, and if they like the benefits your course will offer, then they are much more likely to purchase your course. Your student goals. Think of your student goals as the milestones that they will pass on their journey to the desired result that you have promised them. The goals must correspond to the sections of your course. Potential students will be thinking, what will I be able to do after I join this course? What they are really asking is, what results will I get? People take Udemy courses because they want to change their lives. They want to acquire new skills that will make their lives better. So you need to describe each one of your student goals in action terms. A bad student goal example is, you will learn the basics of WordPress. A good example is, you will create a WordPress blog in a few hours. The second example is all about the result. You are telling your prospects what they will be able to do after purchasing your course. So, you need to create all of your student goals around practical applications and results. Your course description. If you don't want to make any sales of your course, then create a general description for it like a lot of Udemy instructors do. But if you want to make a lot of sales, then treat your description as another sales opportunity like everything else on your landing page. A persuasive course description will help convert more visitors to your landing page into customers. So you need to use your description to address the core issues of your target audience. You need to address their desires. You need to address their fears. You need to answer their questions. And you need to do all these things using the same language that they do, which you uncovered in your research. Be prepared to spend a good deal of time creating your landing page. It will pay you back over and over in the future. You might not get it right the first time around, so you can try to improve it regularly and see if the conversions increase. Do a review of your landing page at least 3 times a year. Other landing page considerations. You will need to provide an image for your course. This is shown in the top left-hand corner of your landing page. If you're not good at graphic design, then use a freelancing website like Fiverr.com and spend a few bucks on having a great image created. Whatever you do, don't use an amateur-looking image for your course. It will drive people away in droves. You will also need to complete an author profile. Use a high-quality photograph of yourself here smiling and looking confident. Tell your potential customers why you are the best person to teach this course. Talk about your experience and how you have achieved results, etc. You need to use your profile to build authority and trust. Write your profile in the third person and not the first person. How much should you charge for your Udemy course? Find out in the next video.